Hi, I've got another unboxing video for you, and it's a little bit of a different box this time. I haven't had this box before, and it is a one-off box. I did subscribe because I had a 50% off code, so I was curious to see what it was like, but I've also unsubscribed because, as you know, I have a few that I have that are my regular boxes, and now and again I like to see what other boxes are out there, and I tend to get like a one-off, and it is the Boxie Woman box. So that's the box. So I'm really excited to open it, but first impressions, I'm not impressed with the packaging. It's a really lovely box. It's definitely a keepsake box, but this is how it arrived. No extra packaging whatsoever. I've taken off the label and I've taken off my address. This is sticky as well, I think. You'll see that it'll mark the box, so bit of a shame. It would have been so much better if it came in like a plastic covering or a paper covering, you know, just to protect it, and then I could use this box then. But never mind. A Boxie box is a beauty subscription box. Well, it's actually a beauty, stationery and a lifestyle box, and inside contains 7 items. Now I don't know what's inside, I haven't seen any spoilers whatsoever. So to buy this box it would cost you £19.95 and then £3.95, I believe. I'll link all information down below, so just click on the show more, that'll bring up all the information and links there. So the £3.95 is on top, so that'll bring it just to under £24 for this box. Well, as I said at the beginning, I managed to get a 50% discount, a flash 50 the code was. I'm not sure if it still works, but if you're interested, have a try. But it entitled me back in January then to have February's box for half price. So the cost of this box for me came to like £13.90 something. So along the same sort of lines as Boxiebox and Pink Parcel and Rockbox and everything. So I thought, as a one-off, I'll give it a go. So really excited to see what's inside. They also do a Boxie Teen, and you can get that for £14.95, and inside similar sort of things but more age appropriate for 10 to 14-year-olds, I believe, and also they get about 5 to 7 items. So I'll link that down below as well, and I'll link to the website, so if you're curious to see previous boxes then you can take a look there. But you can buy one-off boxes, you can buy boxes as gifts. They also sell photo frames and pictures and things on their website, but what I like about it is also that you can cancel any time, which is what I've done from now. So shall we open it? Look, see, never mind. So that's how it comes inside, and it's got a little leaflet here. It says, "Hello gorgeous, thank you for your order." And that's how it's packaged inside. Very lovely. So, I'm not gonna look. So that's the contents. So without looking, I'm squinting my eyes here. I'm looking through the box to see if there's a leaflet. This is stupid, I know. No, there's no leaflet in there from what I can gather. So I'm just going to pick up an item, have a look and show you, and then I'll do a little bit of an internet search and I'll link all the items that I can find anyway down below, so you get an idea and I can get an idea of the cost and everything. Normally in boxes you do get a leaflet that tells you a little bit about what the products are, maybe the cost and whether it's full size, sample size, etc. But from first look I can't feel or I can't see it, so you never know, I might be surprised. But anyway, the first item I've got is some sticky notes, 40 sheets per design, and this is Block Notes Fantasy and We Live Like This. So it's a selection of different little sticky notes. That's really cute. That's really nice. I love the colours as well. Really lovely. For the first item, I like that, that's quite cool, and yeah, it'll come in handy. I'm always making notes, always. So the next item, it's cleansing pads, and this is cleansing pads manufactured for NPW London. I'm not sure of the, it's got it here, £5. I'm not sure of the make, it looks Chinese or Japanese maybe, but that's what they look like. Really cute. I'll get that out of the box now. Cleansing pads. Apply your usual cleanser and use circular motions to massage the skin and remove excess dirt with the facial pad. The silicone material can be washed clean with water ready for the next use. Latex free. So this is what they look like. You hold them like that. Very, very soft, really nice. Obviously I've got makeup on now, but I can imagine. No, that's quite nice actually. That is quite nice. And I'd be interested in try that. I've never tried anything like this. I've tried the brushes, you know, the exfoliating brushes, but these feel quite nice and quite soft and more gentle. So no, they're a little bit different, aren't they? So yeah, no, happy with those. Oh, some tissues, and it looks like they're from the same place. NPW, made in China. It says NPW on there, and it says NPW London on there. Anyway, this is 10 times 3 ply tissues. Yeah, they're really lovely. Really lovely packaging, really cute. So how would you open it? Ah, so you open it up like that and you just pull them out one by one. Have they got patterns on them? I think they have. Yeah, they've got little hearts on. They've got little hearts. Right, so that was my third item. My fourth item is, it's a little necklace, and this is wishstrings.co, a tiny wish and a big dream. And it says, make a wish, tie on the, oh, it's a bracelet. When you thread wears thin and breaks away, your wish will come true, so they say. So this is this is from wishstrings.co.uk. So that's what that looks like there. Can you see? I don't know if I take it out of the cellophane. But so far, my thoughts are, it's not very womanly. Now I know, you know, okay, yeah, I'm 42 in a couple of months' time, but I am a very young 40-something, I'd say. Well, I hope I am anyway. But the things that I've had so far, my 11-year-old daughter would be quite happy. Like, especially that, I wouldn't wear that. I mean, yeah, I love grungy jewellery, I love, you know, black thongs and everything, but heart with an arrow going through it, it is really lovely, it's really cute, but I just think it's a little bit too young for me. What do you think? I mean, would you wear that as a bracelet? I'm not sure. It is really cute. I am going to give it to my daughter. The box could well be the Boxie Teen, but I did ask for the Boxie Woman, and it says on my statement, Boxie Woman. So, if you don't know, I don't know. Right, okay, so the next item, what's this? Ooh, what's this? It says, thank you for your order. And there's no brand name on it or anything. It looks like a handmade something, a handmade rose, which I'll open up. So that's what it looks like there. Very pretty. And that's how it comes there. Let's open it up and see. It smells very, very strongly like rose. No, it can't be a chocolate. It can't be a chocolate. There's nothing here to say though what it is. I don't know what it is. A wax melt. It's got to be a wax melt. It's got to be a wax melt. And it smells of roses. As you know, I'm not keen on rose smells. And it is very, very rosy smelling. And it's not a horrible smell by no means, it's just my preference. I just generally don't like rosy smells. And then the next item is, it's a little picture hanging thingy. Lots and lots of hearts for Valentine's. And it says here, heart, adore, amazing, treasure, love forever, best admire, friends, cherish, enjoy. So that's there. Again, see, like friends, forever, cherish, love, admire. It's not the sort of thing I would go out and buy, but I would if I was a teenager, you know, or I'd be happy to receive that if I was a teenager. Like I know my daughter would probably think, oh, that's really cute, I'll stick that on my wall or something, you know. What are your thoughts so far? I'd be interested to see what your thoughts are. It's not horrible, but it's not really suited for me. But yeah. It's quite cute. So I've had 6 items so far, so I've got 1 left. Oh no. Pack of love hearts. Mini ones. Oh my gosh. Oh, they are nice. Right, let's gather all my items to show you. So these are my items. Hopefully you can see all of them there. So there's 7 items in all. Now this would have cost me just under £24 without the code, and with the code it came to just under £14. So for the price, I've got these cleansing pads which I actually like, and I will use. I've got this sign which I'm going to give to my daughter because it's not the sort of thing I would go for. This sample size of love hearts, and this wax melt. I'm assuming it's a wax melt, but there's no information with it, so I'm going with a wax melt. A pack of like tissues, and this heart bracelet, and then the sticky notes. In all honesty, I am not impressed at all. Not impressed at all, unless there was a mistake, unless I was accidentally sent the teen one. Yeah, it clearly says there, if you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, it says Boxie Woman. If that is the right one, and I did receive a Boxie Woman, then I'm really not impressed. It is very, very young. I don't mind something that's a bit different, a bit quirky. I love a bit of stationery and everything. But everything that I received in that box seemed to be catered for someone much younger than myself, and I would say more like my 11-year-old daughter, which is a shame because I would have been absolutely really gutted if I paid full price for that box. And I don't mean to be mean or harsh, and maybe there was a mistake, maybe they did send me the Boxie Teen instead of the Boxie Woman, I don't know. But no, pay £24 for a subscription box when you can get glossy box, where like February's box for instance, some people had items in their box totaling over like £100, and that was what, £13.25 including postage and packing. And then you got Rocker Box and Pink Parcel that are all under the £15 mark, and you know, it's well thought out products. I understand new and upcoming businesses and companies and people starting off from scratch. Yeah, you've got to make a profit. I completely understand. But looking at the whole picture, you've got to see what you're up against, and I feel with this box it doesn't represent the value of what I've had in previous boxes, and you know, boxes that I continue to receive on a monthly basis. So for that, unfortunately, I don't think I'll be returning to this box, because for me it's a bit expensive. I mean, I can't afford to pay £20 odd a month anyway on a box. It would mean me having to get rid of some of my regulars, which I don't want to do. Do you think I'm being a little bit harsh, or what are your thoughts? Do you receive Boxiebox, or do you get the woman? Do you get the teens? What are the difference? It would be really interesting to hear your thoughts. So anyway, regardless of my thoughts, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, as always, please leave me a big thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, then please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.